Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Access Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the side button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on the icon to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called sound, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see Watch Ringtone option. Tap on it, and here we have the list of ringtones we can select from. Find the ringtone you like, tap on it to select it, and apply it. You can go through them, listen through the ringtones by simply selecting one and listening to it. So, select the ringtone you like, and then you can swipe right on the screen. As you can see, the ringtone changed. And then you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.